Your ego is either destroying your life, or it's the reason you'll become unstoppable. Control your ego. Everyone tells you to kill your ego, but that's bad advice. Because without ego, you settle. You doubt yourself. You play small. Ego isn't the enemy. Uncontrolled ego is. But when you learn to control it, it becomes your greatest weapon. 4 ways ego makes you unstoppable. 1. Ego builds self-belief. You start believing you deserve more. More success, more respect, more growth. That belief changes how you act. 2. Ego makes you hate losing. You stop accepting average. You push harder. You go further. Because losing no longer feels acceptable. 3. Ego drives discipline. You hold yourself to a higher standard. You don't skip workouts. You don't break promises to yourself, because your identity won't allow it. 4. Ego protects your standards. You stop tolerating nonsense. Bad habits, bad environments, bad influences. You become selective, and that changes everything. The dangerous side. But here's where most people fail. They let ego turn into arrogance. They stop learning. They reject feedback. They think they're already better. And that's how they fall. How to control it. Use ego to push yourself, not belittle others. Stay a student, no matter your level. Let results speak, not noise. Controlled ego equals to power. Uncontrolled ego equals to downfall. The goal isn't to remove your ego, it's to master it. Because once you do, you stop playing small and start becoming dangerous. If you understand this, like the video, comments control if you're mastering your ego. Subscribe, because weak mindsets don't win.